Hey, Chris here. Got a quick just how to get to your air filter for your cabin or your AC unit in your Jaguar F-Type. Mine is a 2017 V6 Premium. I'm guessing it's probably the same for all of the similar models and years around this car. It is not behind the glove box like it traditionally is in a lot of the other cars. So basically, to get down to it is pop your hood. Remove 3 of these, or in my case 2 because the previous owner lost one of them. But there's 2 here and 1 here. You just kind of grab them and slightly turn and pull up. This will come off. Make sure you set these where they will not go underneath the car. And you have this little rubber guard here. You can kind of pull that out of the way a little bit. And you just kind of push these like so. And this little door will pop up, and there you have it. There is your air filter. How much does Jaguar probably charge for this? I'm gonna guess at least $250. You can buy an air filter like this on Amazon or anywhere. Probably find it at your hardware store, or sorry, your auto parts store, which also contains hardware. Mine looks pretty clean, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it anyway. I got this. This is the part number for this particular brand. And just to make sure everything matches up, looks like it does. So I will be putting that in, but before you do that, I suggest you go in and take a look at what might be in there. Since this car is new and are used, I'm gonna have a look. That looks like the air quality sensor, which these cars have. If it's really nasty outside, this sensor can probably trip. And probably, my guess is that it automatically, oh look at that, this whole thing comes out. Cool. So it probably closes it automatically. And that's pretty much it. It's actually right there in this little compartment. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out some of that debris, or debris as they call it sometimes, because look, there's grass and all kinds of other crud in here. Probably just good to clear it out. I guess that's the horn down there. But that's it. I just figured I'd give you a quick show. And just make sure you put everything back. All right.